In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads with Google Merchant Center next to run effective Google Shopping ads. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools for your business. So let's dive in and get everything set up. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to business.google.com/merchant center. This is your starting point. Once you are on the site, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see the option to sign in. Click on it and select Merchant Center from the drop-down menu. If you've already signed into your account, you'll be directed straight to your Merchant Center page. However, if you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, let's move on to the next step. Find the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your Merchant Center page. This is your settings menu where you can configure integrations. Click on it to move forward and then select apps and services from the menu that appears. This will bring you to a page where you can manage the various services linked to your Merchant Center account. Now you'll see a table of options. Click on Add Service, which is usually the first table you encounter. As you do this, look for Google Ads in the list of available services, select it, and then click on Next to proceed. This step is crucial as this is how we begin linking your accounts. If you're looking to connect a new Google Ads account, you can do so by using the first tab you come across. It's designed to make the process simple. On the other hand, if you're aiming to link to an already existing account, you'll find what you're looking for under the Accounts You Don't Manage page. This option caters to accounts you might not have created, but still need access to. To continue with linking, use the search box provided. Type in the specific Google Ads ID of the account you wish to connect. Once you've entered the ID, double check to ensure there are no mistakes, as accuracy is key. Now you can click on Next to proceed with finalizing the linking process. With these steps, you should have successfully linked Google Ads to your Google Merchant Center next. This integration is essential for running powerful Google Shopping ads that can boost your marketing efforts and reach. Thanks for following along today, and make sure to double check your settings to ensure everything is configured properly. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on optimizing your digital marketing strategies.